Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear chat history in Reka AI. So let's get started. First, open any web browser. Within the search bar, type reka.ai, then press enter, where it will successfully redirect you to the official website. Within it, tap Try Reka. If you have logged in prior, you will be automatically redirected to the home page. Once you are on the main home page, look at the top right corner. You will see a profile square icon. Then tap on it. A menu opens showing your username, your email address, manage account and sign out. Tap on manage account. You will be taken to the account setting page. From the left side menu, tap on privacy. In the privacy section, look for delete all history. On the right side of it, tap on delete all button, where it shows a confirmation message with two buttons, cancel and delete all history. In order to successfully delete all history, tap on delete all history button. This will permanently clear all your saved Reka AI chats, where you will also get a confirmation message regarding that it is successfully removed from your account. Below that, you will see data retention option. Tap on the drop down menu and choose how long Reka AI saved your chats. Select the option that matches your privacy. If you select do not save, your future chats will not be stored at all. This is useful if you want to maximize privacy, and that's how you can easily clear chat history in Reka AI and control your data retention settings. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.